gugma sa Dios na itong ibasihan sa inyong gugma. Mauna nga ang simbolo sa gugma ninyo dili kay singkasing, kundi ang krus. Gugma nga unconditional, gugma nga forgiving, o gugma nga sacrificing.
My dearest love. We all deserve a love that is genuine and will last a lifetime. I'm so glad for having you in my life, together with our 4 kids.
Watching you stand alone, all of my doubt.
To my wife, Esmeralda, I promise to be a good husband and a good father of our children. Not just as a good provider, but to champion your heart and always put our family.
Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Time stands still, beauty in all she is. I will be brave. I will not let anything take away standing in front.
For me, you are the most amazing man, and I'm so blessed enough of having you. Thank you for sticking by my side through the good and bad times.
I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. And all along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 one step closer.
Esmeralda, mianhi ba ikaw sa imong kabubuton aron pagbugkos kanunay sa imong kaugalingon diha sa pagigugmang pag-alagad sa imong bana?
Oo, Father.
Ronald Ray, nanhi ba ikaw sa imong kabubuton ng pagpugkos kanunay sa imong kaugalingon, diya sa paggugmang pagkalagad sa imong asawa?
Oo,